Before this pandemic, we had moved.
People who have saved with NSSF should be allowed to get 20% of their savings to save their lives. I request the Parliament to accept this as a matter of urgency and necessity. If they can approve funds which are questionable, this one is not questionable because it has got owners. This year's Eid prayers should be conducted at home. As you are doing so, please abide by the SOPs set by the government. I hope we have learned enough from this situation of COVID-19. We need to be prepared at all times and have our own unique ways of managing such situations.
إن علينا حسابهم. الله أكبر.